Depending on vehicle maker requirements, it may be necessary to apply a special treatment to the adhesive bonding areas on aluminum parts. This special treatment helps to control how fast aluminum oxidation forms. Here on the table, we can see items that are required by Audi. These include a silica stone, a brush for removing the silica debris, and the primer that is applied over the remaining silica on the bonding joint. Over here are the items required for Jaguar and BMW. This includes a parasol torch and fuel, along with primer and a brush. To prepare a flange following the Audi recommended process, the steps include the flange being wiped clean with a wax and grease remover, and the E-coat being removed from the bonding area. Next, the area is cleaned again with wax and grease remover. Then, the silica stone is applied to the cleaned bonding area of the part. A brush is used to lightly remove any residual dust left by the silica stone, and then the primer is applied and allowed to dry. After the primer has dried, adhesive is applied. Be sure the adhesive bead is spread out to cover all the bare metal surfaces. To prepare a flange following the process that Jaguar and BMW recommends, the flange is first wiped clean using a wax and grease remover. Next, the E-coat is removed from the bonding area. Once again, the area is wiped clean using a wax and grease remover. Next, the flame from the parasol torch is passed across the cleaned bonding area of the part. Doing this removes moisture from the bonding area and changes the surface molecules where the primer and adhesives will be applied. While flame treating the area, caution is used to ensure that the part is not heated to a point that would damage the adjacent coatings. The primer is then applied and allowed to dry. When the primer has dried, the adhesive can then be applied. Again, make sure that the adhesive bead is spread out to cover all the bare metal surfaces. After the adhesive has been applied to the bonding areas, the parts can be joined. Remember when bonding aluminum parts to always follow the vehicle maker's recommendations.